So let me show y'all this amazing clock, astronomical clock. Very popular. A lot of tourists come here and gather around every hour on dot. It's starting to happen already. It's like 10 minutes away from the hour. This clock here gets a lot of tourists, and it's interesting because it's actually like 800 to 1,000 years old or something like that. And it's not just a clock, it's a clock with time, but as well as it's astronomical clock, so it's got like planets and alignments and all that stuff going on, and every hour this animation happens up the top. You see like a bunch of statues going past, the skeleton here rings the bell. It's actually very nice, and all of these people here are just gathered right now for that animation. Makes it great Instagram content. And I think I've lost my brother and my sister-in-law. Where the hell? I'll find them. Almost. Look at that building with so much artwork. You're gonna see some animation. These priests come out of this window, and you're gonna see, keep an eye on the skeleton. He's gonna be ringing the bell. Let's go, man. Go, 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 go.
Tu vois quelque chose qui bouge, hein?
Ah oui, oui, ce petit truc là.
Oh, that was crowdy, man. Let me go find my family.